This is the LMS installation video tutorial, step 5. In the previous step, we had just clicked install on the DB2 installation wizard. That process took not terribly long, but a couple minutes longer than I wanted to wait, just sitting there waiting on videos. So I chose to click finish in this next video, but my computer crashed. So all I have done off camera is click finish at the end of the database installation. Now we are going to move on to adding our LMS data to the database. So this says we need to go to our C drive data folder in our assets and find our LMS 4_1, copy that to CIBM. So I go to my C drive data. Actually, I have two files here. I will definitely choose the newer one. Some of this isn't responding perfectly quickly, so I'm going to drag it rather than copy, but either way, it ends up here in CIBM. Just one real quick note, I jumped straight into this, but it says this is the preferred method. I would say very, very, very highly preferred, much simpler, and gets you the data you need much better. Okay, so now I open a command prompt and go to CIBM SQL bin. I'm going to open my command prompt. Of course, it opens way out there. Then we enter this following command. I am going to copy, says there's an extra *** replacing something at the end of this command. I will come back to that. Says this ***, I don't know where my extra star went. I must have hit a space while I was flipping screens. Should match the similar part of the file name in step A. So I come back up here to step A. I have all this different part of the file name, but one part that changes if you're dealing with multiple database backups and restores is between this cat n000 and the final 001. That is, I don't want to copy this one. I want to copy the relevant one here. This is a date timestamp of that exact backup. Then here I need my space, and then I will paste in that date timestamp. Again, this represents this part of the file name that can change, and we will be pasting that at the end of our command, and that's all we have to do. Hit enter. See if I can pull this in before it finishes. And it's done. Come back here after I've hit enter, look for errors. There were no errors. And then I move on to the installing the LMS step. So that is all for now.